Hey guys, this is Joseph with JB's DIY Garage. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown on what I'm doing with this G30 bus. So this is the blower motor, and blower motor connects to this here with however many bolts that is, 5, 6, something like that. And then the whole housing here, if you don't have AC, connects to the firewall with, it looks like, 4 bolts. So all you got to do is take those 4 bolts off, pry it off, make sure you disconnect the plug here and then the plug on the front here. So that plug, those would look like this. So those 4 go to the relay or the resistor or whatever you want to call it, and then this one actually sends the power. Ultimately, what I'm trying to do, everybody that has a G30 with no air dies in the summer. And basically, no matter what you do, you drive down the road and through your hood vent or your cowl, defrost, whatever you want to call it, through there, all it does is suck in air straight through here, and then it goes down into here where you have your not cabin air vents but your footwell vents. So there's one here, and then you got another one on this side. It's down in there. Either way, if those are closed, then the only heat you're going to be getting is through all your vents, just from the hot air outside. And there's no instructional videos whatsoever on this. So this is your heater core inside of here, and then whenever you pull the vent, this flap here pulls down. I'm not going to pull it down because then I got to go mess with it. But either way, this is where all the hot air is coming in. So even if you have the heat turned all the way off, what happens is this closes somewhat, and then all the air goes up into your cabin, and it goes in through all the vents up around the doghouse and on either side, in the footwells on either side. So what you can do is you can take some cardboard, take some plastic. What I'm probably going to do is I'm going to clean this up, and then I'm going to use some, let me see what it's called. Either way, it's the HVAC tape. Let me grab it real quick. So some of this HVAC tape, that'll seal it up really good. This stuff, the adhesive's really good. It's going to be weatherproof, so on and so forth. And basically all I'm going to do is cover this vent, and probably go ahead and cover this one too, just for the meantime. And I'll leave these disconnected because I don't want to accidentally turn on the blower motor. But really, I could connect this guy, but just not connect this one. And yeah, and then basically I'll have no outside air blowing in. I was going to try and shove something in here and do that, but the problem you run into with that is you've got this drip tray that goes down into that cubby, and then basically you still want water to be able to run off the sides and down here and drain. So either way, that's my idea. That's what I think you can do, and it should help with any kind of hot air blowing in, especially if you don't have AC. It really just sucks. So that's what I'm doing. So hopefully that helps you guys. I know there's not a whole ton of these out there, but who knows, maybe it'll help you. Thanks so much.